In this video, we will see use of Mohanta's Prechopper in slow motion. This is a cataract with grade 2 nuclear sclerosis. After the initial steps, capsulorhexis is being done with the help of a Utrata forceps. The center of the anterior capsule is pierced by the tip of the Utrata. A capsular tag is raised. This capsular tag is guided all around to do the rhexis. Hydrodissection is done with 27 gauge cannula and BSS. After the hydrodissection, nuclear rotation is done, but in this case it has not been done, just hydrodissection has been done. And now let us see the Mohanta's Prechopper. This is the Prechopper. The front edge, the leading edge is sharp. Sharp means not razor sharp, it is just two surfaces beveled and they are thin, and the posterior surface is not beveled, it is totally bland, the rear edge. The leading edge is sharp, the rear edge is blunt. This is the Mohanta's Prechopper. Tip length is 1.8 millimeter. And now the sustainer. The sustainer, the tip length is 1.7 millimeter. It is round bodied and it has a small ball at the tip. And now we are going to use these two instruments, the Prechopper and the Nucleus sustainer. So the Prechopper goes and just in front of the rhexis it is engaged in this way. The sustainer goes and hooks the opposite equator. The two instruments are brought to each other and lateral separation is done. Usually the Prechopper goes more distance than the sustainer. And here one heminucleus has been divided into two pieces. The other heminucleus has not been divided. And now I come out, and now is the time to introduce the Phaco needle. Visco is used. The Phaco needle goes in with its bevel down. It just goes, aspirates the cortex and picks up on free nuclear piece and starts emulsifying. And then this heminucleus is easily chopped by the ball-tipped nucleus sustainer, chopped or divided into two pieces, and these remaining two pieces are easily emulsified. And nowadays I usually use the Phaco needle to remove a lot of cortex. A little bit of cortex remains which can be used, which can be removed either by the Simcoe or by manual IA or coaxial IA, whatever you want. In this case, all the cortex, almost all, has been removed by the handpiece itself. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video clip will encourage you to use Mohanta's Prechopper.